Bob, move. I need to. Hey guys, Laura here. Today we're going to make some fun. ASMR. We need to not be loud.
Okay. Oh, wrong.
Kasi papa mo.
Gusto mong ganitong
Hindi
hair,
ba
di ba,
na-
Pao?
Oo.
Anong oo? Oo. Ay, I not say opo. Diba you like
Lord! Do not be so loud. Ow.
Baka maiwan ni Matina yung ano niya, Pao.
Not yet. We're recording.
Matagal pa po.
Super cool. Masarapan ako dito, Batira.
Bati daw ah.
Hey, that's weird.
Okay nga.
What? Hey! Guys! I already did that. These. Wait.
Matagal pa po.
Hindi na.
Hanggang na sila Martina. Hit pa siya. Tsaka ikaw na-hit ka na.
Wait lang daw. Sa ano ata to? Sa aso ata to eh.
Yeah, she speaks Filipino. I speak English. I'm not English. She's Filipino. We're both Filipino. We're not sisters. If you want to see my dad, hit the like.
Hit the what?
The like button. I just want somewhere. Okay, I'm just gonna tie Bow's hair. No.
Sabi.
No. I have.
Later.
We're not done.
Ano? We'll come back later.
Hang on.
No.
Stop.
Bati daw pwede.
You cannot bring that to school.
Hindi. Ito.
You're not gonna bring that to your school. Hang on.